Here is a useful source of affiliate marketing information. Some people say that the internet has taken the entertainment industry's place, as one of the only recession-proof venues in existence. If that's true at all, then it's only true because of the billions of product choices that you can find online. As an affiliate marketer, you have free rein to choose which products you want to sell. Use this information to help you make the best decision. Before joining an affiliate marketing program, test out the product or service that you'll be promoting. Having used the product before talking about allows you to give honest and sincere reviews of it. Your readers will be able to tell that your recommendations come from actual use and trust your reviews more than a generic review that doesn't tell them anything. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, ask if cookies are used to track sales and link customers back to the original referrer. Cookie tracking helps to track individual visitors that follow a link from you to the affiliate site. If they return to the affiliate site again at a later time to make purchases, you can still receive a commission. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. It is best to hide purchase links to an affiliate's product a few pages deep in a website. This cushions the casual visitor from hard sell techniques and ensures that visitors who find the affiliate link do so because they have a genuine interest in the product. The pages leading to the product link should encourage this interest. Focus on building your content, not just your links. Without a good content strategy, you won't be successful. People aren't coming to your site to find affiliate links, they are coming for your content. Whether that's reviews, previews, or you just talking about your day, that's what they came from. Keep it up to date and keep new content coming. One strength of a good affiliate company is their active support for affiliates with product selling resources made available. Affiliate companies know what they're doing. They do their research to see what marketing campaigns actually work. The better affiliate companies will share their data with affiliates. This allows the affiliates to customize their campaigns, in order to get more commissions by selling more products. A great affiliate marketing tip is to start selling big-ticket items. If you can target the right audience, selling big-ticket items can make you a lot of money. Being an affiliate is all about the product, as we alluded to in the opening of this video. However, it's also about following the other steps listed here, in order to achieve your ultimate goal. You will never stop learning about marketing as a whole, nor should you. You should follow helpful advice anywhere you can get it. Start with this video and continue to be a student of the genre. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.